Hi there, everyone. It's Wednesday, February 18th. Actually, it is Tuesday, February 17th, but I will be on a plane tomorrow, so I can't film it. So here's an early video. I think you've heard from Liz already that the topic this week is expectation versus reality. And as writers, I think that's something very meaningful toward us. I think we all have expectations that we haven't hit that just aren't realistic, such as writing 1,000,000 words in a month for some of us. I'm not able to do it. Some of you writers are, and I really admire you for it. In my case, I have very high expectations for my first drafts that I very, very rarely hit, which is why I haven't really edited something to the point of publishing or even tried to publish or self-publish. Publishing actually freaks me out, though I want to do it because I don't think I'll ever be ready, and that's a personal problem that I'll take care of. But the reality is that sometimes we don't live up to the expectations we have, and there's nothing wrong with that. We can just redo, retry, rewrite. That's what writers do. I'm sure you've heard plenty of writing advice circling around how real writing is rewriting. As Elizabeth had asked weeks ago, maybe last week or the week before, best writing advice, as I said, it's okay to suck. I'm learning it myself. My expectations are very, very high. The reality is not that level yet, but there's nothing wrong with it. So on a writing sense, I think we all have to sometimes put our expectations on the back burner and face reality that we're not going to be able to do anything unless we write it down. The words are on the page or on the screen or wherever you write. And then we can work on reaching those expectations later on as opposed to hitting it right away. More than that, it's a thing probably throughout life if we want to get away from writing. I know a lot of you, and I told you I was going to be the fitness person, are doing a lot of fitness things, and it might be the expectation to lose 20 pounds in 3 months, but sometimes that's not possible, and reality just kind of bites us in the butt. So again, it's something we have to work to. So I know I have to start living in reality as opposed to in my expectations and my perfectionism. And I think some of you guys know that too. I know some of our lovely mods are perfectionists like I am. Not name calling anyone. She's going to be posting on Thursday. Beyond that, that's really all I have to say. Just keep writing this month. February's almost done. Keeping Warm in February is almost done. 5K weekend's coming up, or it might have passed. I'll have to double check. But just keep going, don't stop, and don't let this expectation of getting all your word counts fall to the reality of not. See you next week.